Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about some more string methods in Python. Count function is used to count the occurrence of characters or substring in a string. Find function is used to find whether a string appears in a given substring. Example for find. As you can see, 7 is displayed, which is str of 7, where second we starts string case methods. These are used to convert a string to uppercase using upper function and lowercase using lower function. Let us see the examples for these methods on the console. You can see the output on the console. Capitalize function is used to convert first character of a word into uppercase and rest into lowercase. Thank you. See you in next video. Do like, share and subscribe.